Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick and easy fix for a common problem many HP laptop users encounter when trying to run virtual machines in VirtualBox. If you're seeing the error message, VTX is disabled in the BIOS for all CPU modes, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue and get your virtual machines up and running smoothly. So, let's jump right in. First things first, to fix the VTX is disabled error, you'll need to restart your HP laptop. Simply go to the Start menu and select Restart. This will give us access to the BIOS settings. As your laptop restarts, you'll need to access the BIOS settings. This is where we'll enable VTX. The key to enter the BIOS can vary depending on your laptop's manufacturer. For HP laptops, it's usually the F10 key, but it could also be F2 or F12 on some models. Check your laptop's manual or look for a message during startup to determine the correct key for your laptop. Once you're in the BIOS settings, you'll see different tabs. Navigate to the System Configuration or similar tab using the arrow keys. Inside the System Configuration tab, you'll find the Virtualization Technology option. This is what we need to enable. Select it and press Enter. Now, you should see options to disable, enable, or set it to auto. Choose Enable and hit Enter. With VTX enabled, save the changes and exit the BIOS settings. This option is usually located at the bottom of the BIOS screen. Select Save Changes and Exit or a similar option. Once you've made these changes, your laptop will restart. Now, you can open VirtualBox and try starting your virtual machine again. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the VTX is disabled error on your HP laptop, and your virtual machine should be up and running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share it with others who might be facing the same issue, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and solutions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.